Alright, just a quick little update on my progress here. Ran into my first snag. Um, Went ahead and seated the CPU in the motherboard, and I was just about to put the heatsink fan on with my handy dandy little Arctic Silver 5 plunger, and I fucking forgot that the AMD stock heatsink fan comes pre-installed with some kind of thermal paste. What that is, I don't know. Um, the Arctic Silver website suggests removing it with, I don't know, goof off. You know, of course they recommend their brand of thermal paste cleanser. It's like a two-step eyedropper. Works really good, but I don't want to wait, and I don't have any place to go buy goof off. And anything else just really won't hack it. I wanted to do a little YouTube video, especially seeing how there's this war with people posting how to apply Arctic Silver and thermal paste in general. A lot of people, amazingly, are just spreading it around with their fingers and completely disregarding the Arctic Silver instructions to put like a dollop, smaller than the size of a pea in the middle, and then just smush it down with the heatsink fan. So I wanted to actually tint the heatsink fan and the CPU, and then do the little dollop in the middle. But now I'm pussing out, basically. I don't want to wait until tomorrow to go get goof off and scrape this shit off the bottom, because it's a heatsink fan that's stock. The CPU is Black Edition, so I was hoping to overclock at some point in the future. It's really easy. So if I do that, I'm probably not going to want this little rinky-dink heatsink fan. So I'm just going to use the stock cooling with the stock thermal paste and save my little plunger of Arctic Silver for another day. So I'll go ahead and install the heatsink fan and the memory modules and stick it in there. And then we'll almost be good to go. Alright, more later.